I've been coming here for about 3 years. I've been teaching here before Corona. Like sometimes when the students are reading, they can't see, and lightings in some of the spots of the masjid should be improved.
I think that you guys should improve the bathroom conditions and fix the shoe shelves, and also to fix the lighting in here because it's sometimes kind of dim.
And I think we may need to improve something about the AC and the heater because sometimes, especially like in the summertime, it gets a little bit too hot.
We need ceilings, carpet, and definitely we need the bathroom to be renovated.
The carpets, we need to upgrade that, and a lot of times with us the sisters, it's really hot, so I think the ACs need to be fixed too.
I think the masjid is in need of air conditioning during the summertime, and during the winter time, I think we need the heat too.
Brothers and sisters, the best house you can build on this earth, or help renovate on this earth, or contribute to, are the houses of Allah. Why? Because when you contribute to the house of Allah, you are guaranteeing yourself and you are reserving yourself a place in Jannah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed us, "Man bana lillahi masjidan, bana Allahu lahu baytan fil Jannah." Whomsoever helps build a house for the sake of Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will build a house for him in Jannah. Brothers and sisters, when you help a masjid renovate or build, you're not only helping that, you will also get the reward of every adhan that takes place, every iqamah that takes place, every Quran that's being recited, every dua that's made, every halaqah that is taking place, every also Quran circle, or the students when they come, you will also share in that reward as well. To help us out and to share in the reward of helping the Masjid of Allah, visit our website at IQRALearningCenter.com, or you could donate via PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo. وجزاكم الله خير.